Hey, what's up, people? This is Cindy Biebe, definitely the king herself. Now, I've got something on my mind, and I think I should just say it. So, we as artists, since the lockdown, have been trying to stay calm, have been trying to stay quiet for the good of the country because of this whole lockdown corona situation. And while we are doing this, we are the ones who have been ignored the most, you know, because you notice a lot of sectors have been compensated, but the artists have not yet been compensated. And yet, we are the first people that were locked down because the shows were the first thing that they were like, no more shows, bars are closed, and every avenue that an artist would have made some money for lunch, for their children, for their health, was stopped first. But even up to now, artists have totally been ignored. So we've been calm about the situation, and you know, a lot of artists are starving, a lot of artists are sick, a lot of artists are in heavy debt right now, and it doesn't have to be me to feel it. I feel it because I'm a fellow artist. So in all our silence, a foreigner had a concert in this country and actually got and filled up a concert where there was no social distancing, there were no masks, and this idiot even posted it online and was very proud about the fact that he had a successful concert in Uganda. And you know what is funny is that if we complain about it, anything that the government puts on us, and we say anything about it, we are branded a hooligan. So it's official. I am a hooligan, and I am proud because I don't agree with this. It's not fair. It is not right by any standards that you look at it. You may try to put down the post and try to hide it, but it was a concert and it happened during the lockdown while artists here are starving. There's so much I want to say about that, but for today, you know, I just want to say I'm definitely a hooligan now. Lord have mercy.